General Insurance Corporation of India has informed stock exchanges that it has received a demand notice under Section 156 of the Income Tax Act 1961 from the Income Tax Department relating to assessment year 2023 to 24. NTPC Limited has announced that Unit 4 of the Tehri Pump Storage Project has officially begun commercial operations, marking another milestone in India's power generation capacity expansion. RITES Limited has been recognized for its excellence in urban infrastructure, receiving a prestigious honor at the EPC World Awards 2026 for its outstanding contribution to the Ahmedabad Metro Phase 2 project. In a significant step towards strengthening India's mineral security, NTPC Mining Limited has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with FCI Aravali Gypsum and Minerals India Limited to collaborate across the critical and strategic minerals value chain. India's ambitious Sagarmala program is reshaping the country's maritime and logistics ecosystem through large-scale port modernization, coastal infrastructure, and inland waterway development. Over the past decade, the program has emerged as a cornerstone of India's trade and logistics transformation. State Bank of India has reclaimed the second spot among India's largest lenders by market capitalization, surpassing ICICI Bank in the January to March 2026 quarter, Q4 FY26. This marks a significant shift in the banking hierarchy amid broad-based weakness in banking stocks. Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited has reinforced its long-term sustainability and energy transition strategy during a major industry conference focused on India's growing gas demand. The board of Mahanagar Gas Limited has approved the appointment of Praveer Kumar Srivastava as additional director and managing director of the company for a period of 5 consecutive years, effective April 30, 2026, subject to shareholder approval. Shri Piyush Goyal, Secretary, Ministry of Mines, chaired a media interaction session with representatives from digital, electronic and print media in New Delhi. He discussed policy direction, ongoing reforms and strategic initiatives aimed at strengthening India's mining sector and supporting the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat in critical minerals. Housing and Urban Development Corporation Limited has announced that its chairman and managing director, Shri Sanjay Kulshrestha, has been honored with the Achievement Award for Public Officer, Government and Public Sector at the 17th CIDC Vishwakarma Awards 2026.